Hey guys, this is a package I just bought from my local drugstore, not on Amazon because I live in Japan, so I can get these things right off the shelf. But lucky for you guys, you can get it on Amazon. So this is Oshima Tsubaki Yu, which is Oshima's the brand, and Tsubaki is camilia, and Yu is oil. And this is for basically well-kept hair. So let me go through the box with you here. It's a single product with multiple uses for hair, scalp, and skin. And yeah, I definitely use it for everything. And I think that's why it's so popular here in Japan. A lot of people use it for their hair. But unfortunately for me, I have ultra fine hair. So if I use this in my hair, it's going to be an oily mess. Oh, and so is my camera focus. Let's see if I just leave it here. It's going to be an oily mess. I don't recommend doing that for most cases unless you have really thick, lustrous hair, and even when you do, just a tiny amount. Now, I do use it on my hair, but usually only as a treatment or only to look after the ends, because it's just, even though it's a very light oil, I find it just way too heavy for me. But anyway, it is popular here for hair and for your scalp as well here, and I use it for the skin. When I get out of the bath, I just basically use it as a whole body moisturizing care thing. You can also use it as a makeup remover and on your hands and nails. Very versatile oil. And where I live in southern Kyushu, there's camellia flowers every season. Beautiful. It's no wonder it's so popular. And on the back of the box here, there's just some history. The company's actually been around since 1927, but I guess they expanded in 1950 with someone called Anko from Izu, Oshima. And they launched a nationwide caravan, I guess, proffering their wares here. And the dancing was also popular. So Oshima Tsubaki has a single red camellia flower in a yellow box. Yeah, that's exactly right. And it's spread through the country to become a product that continues to be loved throughout the ages. So there you go. And on this side of the box, it just says a small amount will leave your hair moisturized and smooth, bringing out its beauty. Good for moisture, damage care, strengthening, protecting from heat, and anti-static. And then there's a little warning. If it irritates you, stop using it. And you want to keep the temperature good. If it's too cold, you want to warm it up, etc. And it's just 100% camellia oil made in Japan. It's an excellent product. Here in Japan, this is very affordable. I think it's a little bit pricier on Amazon, I would think. Oh, it comes with some sort of campaign that's going on and some information on how to use it. And here's the bottle. Very nice and simple. Got the Oshima branding on it. And I think it's ready to pour as is, just very gently pat it in. Lovely oil, and it smells quite innocuous, actually. There's not much of a smell to it. Very light. It kind of reminds me of sesame oil. You know the Neutrogena sesame oil, how light that is? But actually, maybe the sesame oil is a bit lighter. I don't know, but I love the feel of this. I love it right out of the bath, especially in the winter time here. It gets very dry. Most of the time it's not dry at all, but this year it's been very dry. So very moisturizing and very effective. Highly recommend.